it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby, and today I'm going to make this card that is a spring card that I'm going to make for the challenge for the Color Throwdown. I decided to participate. I've been a long time without participating in a challenge, and you have to use this for colors that are mint, aqua, dark pink, and green. I'm going to cut the boots with this die cut that is flowers inside a rainbow. The boots I cut it in foam in pink, and for darken the top and the bottom of the boots I use watercolor markers, and they got very good in the foam. They don't run, they don't bleed or anything, they blend perfectly. Also I'm going to cut the die cut again in paper. This is an inner sort of white, and I'm going to color the flowers only. And I'm going to use the dark green and the light green in the leaves, and I'm going to use the aqua in the flowers. It's just a little bit of blending, not too much. I want the leaves to be spotty. It's for that I'm going back and forward with the light and the dark green. For the flowers, I'm just going to use the light blue, aqua in the whole flower, and then just a little bit of the dark aqua in the bottom of the flower. After I finish coloring the flowers, I'm going to cut the part of the flowers, leaving a little space to be glued to the foam. And I'm also going to color this part sorry, in green. As you see in the big bunch of flowers, I left the whole part of the top boots, and in the small flower I'm going to leave just a little tiny extra piece. Then I'm going to use the Yoo-hoo glue to glue them, because I always, when I use them, or almost always when I use foam, I try to use this glue because I'm sure this glue is going to glue the paper down very well to the foam. But you see, when I'm going to glue the boot to the card panel, I'm going to use both glue. For the foam, I'm going to use the Yoo-hoo glue, and for the paper, I'm going to use the white glue. Also, I'm making details right now with my white gel pen. After that, I'm going to add a little bit of wing costella to the flowers. After I finish the boot, I'm going to cut one panel of rectangle, a little bit smaller than the A2 card, in paper. This is a mint color cardstock, and I'm going to cut another palette with the scallops in white cardstock. Before I glue the boots, I'm going to make a shadow with a gray color. This is not watercolor paper, but I use watercolors because when you use watercolor paper in normal paper, in like this is Nina, no sorry, this is Cougar cardstock, it gets darker and lighter in some part. Now I want that effect. It looks a little bit messy, but it doesn't look that bad. As you see here, I'm using the Yoo-hoo glue in the part of the foam, and I'm going to use the white glue in the part of the paper. After I glue my the boots, I'm going to add a sentiment, and I'm going to find an ink almost the same color of the boots. That way we coordinate the sentiment with the boots. After I finish the sentiment, I just pick up the Misty to see if my sentiment was straight. After I stamping the sentiment, I'm going to add a little jewels around the boots, and they're going to be the same color of the flowers. As you see here, I'm making the card base, and I'm going to glue my card panel to the card base, and then add the little jewels. Well, I hope you like this simple card. you can make it very fast, and it's very nice because I have the dimension of the boots with the foam. And thank you for watching my videos. Until next time, goodbye.